Are you struggling in your marriage? Are you unhappy and wonder, gosh, is this what it was all meant to be? Is there any hope? I want you to know that you're not alone. As a Catholic marriage coach, I see lots of women struggling, and I struggle myself. There are definitely times, right? Marriage is a saint-making machine. As we persevere and as we choose love over and over and learning how to love ourselves as well, we grow in virtue and we draw closer and closer to the Lord, because that is where our strength lies. A friend of mine, Joe, shared this this perspective, and I just wanted to share it with you. So, did you know that Elijah was suicidal, and Job wished he had never been born? David was depressed. Moses was anxious. Hannah was barren. Paul was in prison. Jacob was a cheater. Peter was a tempter. David had an affair. Noah got drunk. Jonah ran away from God. Paul was a murderer. Gideon was insecure. Miriam was a gossip. Martha was a nervous wreck. Thomas was a doubter. Sarah was impatient. Moses had a speech impediment. Zacchaeus was short. Abraham was old. Lazarus was dead. But God set them all free. He used their struggles and turned their struggle, into their testimony. And God can turn your worst seasons into your testimony as well, especially as you choose to give Him praise and to draw closer to Him. Here we are in Holy Week, as we spend time drawing closer to Christ and focusing and spending time on the Stations of the Cross and on all of His sufferings, knowing that He went to that cross out of love because He had a bigger vision. Right? He knew that He would descend to hell and that He would rise again and open the gates of hell to save us all and to save future generations. It's like, oh my gosh, what if even in our struggles right now, there's a purpose, and that God does want our witness as we learn how to love unconditionally the way He did. And it's not always easy. It's not always easy. And yet I invite you to pick up your cross, to unite yourself with Him. Be there with Him on the journey this week. As He carries His cross, be the one that goes to Him to help carry it. Be at the foot of the cross and lay your burdens down and ask for the strength, the courage, the wisdom, the perseverance, all that it takes to be able to continue to learn how to love. That's what we're called to do. And it's a worthy journey. It is. May He give you strength. May you find peace. And may you have all the hope and the love that you deserve. I'm standing for you and I'm praying for you. I'm Coach Carol, and I do believe in marriage.